Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you.
I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. I have come up in Shantiniketan. Right now I am in Srijoni Park. You all should come over here. If you come over here, you can see a traditional of our Indian folk art. So you should come. One. You can see so simple and nice heart that shows or represents a different type of architecture and painted with a traditional folk painting of different region, and even sculptures are also there. You definitely like this. You should visit once. Now go and watch our video.
So in this video you are going to learn basics of pastel color shading. Those who want to learn pastel coloring very nicely, you need to watch this video. So this is the pastel colors. So this is the yellow color, light yellow color. You can take any color. So I'm just starting from light yellow color. The color needs to clean, so I have erased the color. Now you can see from top the color will be very dark. Gradually the color will be very lighter. It will be very gradually lighter. This is the practice you have to do. Now take a dark color. Take any dark color. I have taken yellow ochre color. Same process, dark to light in very gentle manner. Now take orange color. You can take any orange color, deep or light. So same process, dark to light. And both the color if touched together, nothing will be happen. If one color is touched with other colors, nothing will happen. Gradually lighter. So this is red color. You can see the gradually lighter, dark and gradually lighter. This is the practice that you should do. So same, I have taken another color, deep pink color, and you can see same way the color is getting lighter, dark to light. This is dark to light. So we can understand what we learn from this. We can learn with the same color we can achieve dark and light. It is depending on your pressure. So that is the practice. You are creating different pressure to achieve different contrast of color. So here is dark and gradually light. This is a deep green. Okay, light green, deep green. Now take a blue color. This is the sky blue color. So at the top I am giving more pressure and gradually pressure is lighter, so that color comes lighter. Now take deep blue color. This is the Prussian blue color. So same process from dark to light. You have to, there is enough control in your hand so that it comes naturally from dark to light. This practice should be very gentle and very nice. Okay, now take, this is a violet color, you can see. So deep violet to light. So I have only one color violet, but with that it's a pressure that creates a different approach of color. Now from brown color, dark and gradually lighter. That is the thing. The light that should be gradually lighter. It is very necessary to learn this because we need this while you are coloring. Now this is the gray color. Gray color, same process, dark to light, and while you are coloring you have to see that your color gets clean. If it is not clean, take a piece of cloth to clean this. Now take, this is the, you can take white color also. See the effect. I am touching the gray with the gray color, so it gets different. So white color, you don't have to do the practice. You can see white color is not coming. We cannot understand anything. But way better you take your black color. But here also from dark to light, you can understand. This is black is the darkest color. In this color also you are creating, by pressure you are creating a very light black color. Okay, now turn the paper upside down. Turn the paper upside down. Now we will do the same things only. Take your color also need to turn. Okay, right side at the left side, Now take light to dark, same color lemon yellow I have taken from light to dark. Here is the practice. You have learned dark to light. Here is a light to dark, same as in very light to dark. This way you will learn the control. You will learn the control of coloring. Okay, same this, after yellow occurred, this is the orange color. So you can see light, how light it is now, gradually darker. The dark will be gradually, not very sudden. Now take next color, that is a red color. Here light, you can see generally gradually getting darker. Yes, and you can see so gradual, it is so gradual, you have to maintain that. Now take a deep pink. I am not taking all the colors, but yes, some colors that will easily help us to learn. Now you can see the light green color from light to, again this is also dark. So you need to learn this. Really, this is going to be very much helpful for you. So don't skip, watch full video. You need to watch constantly this video and practice this every day whenever you are free. This color is the viridian color, light to dark. Now cobalt blue color or any other blue color, you can take light one. So now it is also gradually getting darker. Now you will take the Prussian blue color that you can see. So here is the process from light to dark. So both the things you have to learn, from dark to light and from light to dark. You can see how gradually the color is getting darker. So we are learning over here the control in our hands to play the color, to play with the color. If you practice this, then you will improve. Okay, now take, sorry, by mistake I took pink color, but now I'm taking the deep violet color. Yes, now take brown color. So light brown, light, now gradually getting darker. You can understand it is only giving pressure. When you need light color, gives less pressure. When you give dark color, gives more pressure. Okay, here is a less pressure, now more pressure to get deep color. Now I again am cleaning the white color, but you don't have to do with the white color. I'm showing white color, you cannot see also. So there is, if you cannot see, you will not get the result. So don't have to use white color, you can tick directly, you can use black color. But here you can see, don't give dark. Okay, it should be sudden, dark light, not like that. It should not be like this also. It should be very gentle, light to dark, very gently. You have to learn this gentle effort. Okay, so you have understood how you have to turn the paper, how you have to practice. So this is the wrong way. Suddenly dark, suddenly light. No, light to dark, dark to light. The practice is that should be very naturally and gently. You can see this is dark to light, and here is a light to dark. Okay, so you can, so this is really will be helpful for you. Now you need to practice this. Okay, you can see how the color I have used. You can see how the gradually how you have to do the dark. Don't do this kind of mistakes. You can see suddenly dark, suddenly light. No, don't do that mistakes. Okay, so I am just showing this is a mistake. What mistake you will not do? Suddenly dark. No. So it will be very light to dark. Very, okay, you can understand, very light to suddenly dark doesn't look good. You can see there is a difference of light and dark. It should be gradual. So no one can understand how color is getting gradually darker. You can see gradually darker. You can see here is no gradual darker. You can see in the yellow. One is gradually darker, one is sudden dark. So it is, so you have to learn this, you have to understand this. Okay, I hope you have understood here gradually and sudden, and here's gradual effect. You can see all the gradual effect, and there is light to dark. This is also gradual effect. Okay, you have to turn your paper this way, top, and this way you have to, the way I have shown you, you have to practice this. Then only you can get a control on your hand. So now is your turn. You do practice and send. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.